Meet Timmy.
Bro, there are so many people coding.
Man, he is stressed.
Go for it, Timmy. Get the job.
Timmy, you're not special. Walk away.
What do I do? Yo, dog, what's good? You guys hiring? Sir? Sir?
Security, send him to the door.
No, please.
You see this huge stack of paper? Those are all the people who applied here yesterday. And guess what, little kid? You're nothing special. You're just another one of those losers.
Man, what will I do?
You're just another one of those losers. Those are all the people who applied here yesterday.
Hey, Timmy. How are you doing? Whoa, what happened to you? You'll be fine. Don't worry. What you have to do is listen to your heart.
Oh, little romantic chimpu is telling me to listen to my heart.
Go to your room and lock the door. Where is this going? Sit in silence and think.
Think about what?
Think about why on earth you want to code for a living.
Dude, this is an easy path to get rich. I'm gonna make 6 figures in no time.
Wrong mindset. You need to love solving problems. That is all programming is. Listen to yourself and ask whether you truly love to solve these problems.
But coding's so difficult.
But if you love the process, it doesn't become so difficult, does it? Imagine you're at a party and suddenly the music starts sounding a little distorted. A few minutes later, even more distorted.
Sorry guys. There's some technical difficulties.
People start getting angry. You, on the other hand, are calm and happy.
This is just another opportunity for me to learn something.
You little nerd, you've just gotten ahead of most people with this mindset. Okay, just like Timmy, you're now super hyped about learning.
Yes, sir.
Nice stuff. Now take this passion, load it into a cannon, and shoot out something cool. Get up, put on your shoes, and go for a walk outside.
Actually, programmers don't go outside.
Shh. Look around and think of a problem you could solve. How can I make something that'll make my or other people's lives easier? What is something that I like doing that I can fuse with programming to make a cool project?
Whoa, there are so many plastic bottles in this park. Maybe I could make something to fix this.
Exactly. Turn the stove on and keep cooking.
I can make a robot. It drives, and it has this camera that detects and picks up bottles with image processing. Whoa.
Never rule anything out. Weird ideas can make you stand out. A creative idea with your obvious passion behind it is going to stand out much more on your resume than generic websites or clones you make. Okay, imagine you're at this carnival.
Whoa, a magician. Hey, bro, give me a few bucks and I'll show you magic.
Fire, the scariest element there is. Look at all these views I got on Instagram. See these flames? This is just a fraction of the real show.
Timmy would choose Magician too, because he was able to specialize in his niche of fire, show his skills, and back it up with proof. You need to do this. Specialize in a specific area of coding, and get good at it. Make sure to market this on your LinkedIn, and post different projects you've worked on. Work on open source projects too. Having an online presence helps a lot. You can create a tech blog or social media profile. You can post tutorials or related content in your niche. You should also share your story, your journey as a programmer. People love listening to stories and seeing your growth. Do a few tech talks if you get the chance. Great thing to add to your resume. Lastly, go to any events or programming meetups where you can network near you and talk. Just talk.
Talk about what?
Talk about coding, the industry, your niche, how to improve. Just talk. Show interest and be yourself. If there's a speaker, approach them and talk to them about the speech. If you're in university or high school, talk and show interest to your classmates, teachers, etc. Be friendly. People will often remember the person they had fun working with and will want to work with you again. Help and ask for help too.
Let me help you out, buddy.
Studies have shown that asking someone to help you, or helping them, makes them like you a lot more. Do these things consistently and you will make connections.